We're back with Jarret's 6-point blow, which ironically did not blow as it was pulling that skid steer that is not working back.
I haven't slept. Like, I don't even know.
You're probably close to 24 hours at this point.
I've been up since 2 p.m. yesterday. Yeah.
And it's now like 5:30 p.m. today. We're here to pick up where the other video left off. He did fix the headlights, so they do work. They're just not very good. So we're going to replace the grill. Or are we trying to do the headlights today?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
So headlights and grill.
Headlights, grill, LED.
Pods.
Fog light.
And it's raining here, so we have our lovely umbrella.
1% chance of rain. 1%. This is like...
It's been raining for like a half hour at this point. Jarret got some new LED fog lights for this. So we're going to go ahead and the wires that we tucked up, pull out, and see which way the polarity needs spliced into those. That way we can splice it in, mount these in, and then we just have the little plug we have to do while we're under the truck. So should make that nice and easy. There you go.
Hey, I just mentioned. I mean, technically the polarity should be fine. Red to red, black to black.
But that would rely on you trusting whoever messed with your truck. And they obviously had bad judgment.
Go ahead, put it in the comments. Does anyone think it's a smart idea to power a rear camera with one of your fog lights? And then run it 24 feet along the chassis of the truck. And I was sitting there the whole time being like, I can't figure out why these don't work.
We verified that red does equal red and black equals black. So we're going ahead and we pulled the bumper to put these fog lights in because it was easier than doing it with the bumper on. So get these put on. I guess probably get the headlights swapped and then we'll go from there.
Yep.
Jarret's got some nifty little
solder
seal. So we're just putting on the fog light adapters for those, getting these soldered on, and then we will verify each work, put the bumper back on, and be good to go for those. So now we have Jarret putting in the new headlights that he got that are... You want to talk about the cost of these headlights?
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not going to say a number, but it's way more than I would spend on headlights. But that's also me. In the background, you probably see my work laptop. I'm getting harassed about work stuff right now, so handling that and helping Jarret out. So at this point, we have the new headlight and the raggedy old headlight. Jarret's going to turn it on and do a quick comparison. We'll also see the sequential startup that this headlight does.
Ready?
Yep. Thing's bright. So that's like your standard running. Okay. That's low beam there. I mean... Yeah, it's bright, but it's nothing. Okay, high. And it doesn't change much, but not, I mean, high beam, yeah. We're getting there. We just had to totally break off the connector that was on this holding the light bulb because that would not come off. But
it was the more expensive connection on Amazon.
The one that doesn't break or doesn't come apart.
Doesn't fucking come apart for no reason.
It's not going to rattle off going down the road. We're going to get this tossed in and show you hopefully soon both of the headlights put in. She's looking pretty mean, even though we're on a pretty good hill, but he's tightening up the last bolts. Then we'll get the fog light plugged in. Are your highs? There you go. Those are sweet. That's going to be all as he's going off to blind everybody. But thank you for joining us. And today was 2 videos, so the skid steer and working on his, as well as a couple YouTube shorts. But thank you for joining us. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment, especially if you saw the part about this whole skid steer. Until next time, YouTube, thank you for joining us.